Hi, I'm Corey Hoffman. You can find me at Corey Hoffman Hair on Instagram, and I'm going to be showing you how to overlay using the Pulp Riot Semis. My fabulous model Gracie came in today with a dark natural canvas. We went ahead and pre-colored her using permanent hair color just to expose some of the warmth in her hair. You can see that it's a nice red-brown tone. So just to kick it up a notch, I'm gonna color her right at the base with Pyro and Velvet to give a rich, deep red. And then throughout the mid-lengths and ends, I'm gonna use Pyro and Fireball together just to give it a little added vibrancy. I let it process for 30 minutes, and then we just go back to the bowl and rinse it out. To style Gracie's hair, I went in with some curl gel and applied section by section just to give her curls some more definition. I then went in with a diffuser and dried her hair. And this is the final result. These Pulp Riot Semis add an extra punch of color while still keeping the integrity of these beautiful curls. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'm Corey Hoffman, and I will catch you later.